Welcome to Virgin Media. This video will take you through setting up your new kit step by step. It'll take just over an hour. You'll see this icon when we think it'd be helpful for you to pause the video. Feel free to pause at other times too. First off, let's start by installing your broadband. For this bit, you'll need the hub power supply, the one with the blue label, the connector cables, and the isolator cable. You can pause the video now while you get them together. Ready? Great! This next section will take about 30 minutes. First, connect the end of the isolator cable with the black band to the socket marked wall on the connector cables. Then connect the cable with the red end to the wall socket. Remember to check it's secure. Connect the power supply with the blue label. Take the free end of the blue banded cable and connect it to the hub. Connect the Ethernet cable to your new hub. Push it firmly into place. And then you can plug the power supply into the mains. Connect the other end to the hub. Then switch on at the mains. And at the back of the hub. Your new hub will now make a connection to our network. This may take a few minutes, and the lights on your new hub will flash as it connects. When the Wi-Fi light is on and the base light is solid white, you are ready to move on. The arrows may still be flashing green. Your Wi-Fi network will be called something like VM123456. All the details you need to get online are on the bottom of your hub and on the little card. You can now connect your computer and any other devices to Wi-Fi. Once the download is complete and installed, the only light on your new hub will be the base light, which will be solid white. All done? Great. Now we're going to set up your Virgin V6 TV box. For this bit, you'll need your Virgin TV box, its power supply, its remote control, and the supplied HDMI cable. Feel free to pause the video now while you check you've got everything you need. This should take 20 minutes. Join the two parts of the power supply together. Attach the connector cable with the white end to the socket on the rear of your new Virgin V6 TV box. Then connect the other end of the Ethernet cable. Before connecting the HDMI cable to the box. And to your TV. Plug your Virgin V6 TV box into the mains. Connect the power supply. And then switch it on at the wall. And on the back of the box. On your TV remote, push the input button. It may be labelled AV or source, or have this symbol on it. Then scroll to the HDMI port you connected the cable to. You should see a welcome screen. Now your Virgin V6 TV box will automatically test the strength of your connection. If there are any problems, just follow the on-screen instructions. Once you've got a good connection, your Virgin V6 TV box will start downloading the latest software. You can pull the tab from the Virgin V6 TV remote while you wait. Nearly there. The update might take up to 20 minutes, so it's time to hit pause again. See you in a bit. Done? Great. You should be looking at this screen. Finally, you should be looking at this screen. almost done. Last up, we need to get your phone connected. For this bit, you'll need either the new cable or the adapter. You can pause the video now while you get them together. This next section will take about 5 minutes. If you've decided to transfer your old number to us, please remember this may take up to 10 days. In the meantime, you can use the temporary number we've supplied. First, disconnect the cable from the back of your phone. It should pop out easily, but depending on your phone, it may need a bit of elbow grease. Once you have removed the cable, replace it with the one we have provided. To connect with the new cable, just plug it into the top grey port, port 1, on the back of your new hub. If you can't remove the cable from your phone, you'll need to use the adapter we have provided. Simply plug the adapter into the top grey port, port 1, on the back of your hub. Then plug the existing cable into the adapter. Allow a couple of minutes for the phone to be recognised by the hub. Check the phone for a dial tone and make a test call to check everything is working. And that's it, you're done. Nice one. Take a look at your Discover guides for more handy tips on your shiny new services.